Hi, look what I got from the market today. Tender Shimla Mirch, baby capsicums. So, what should we make with these? I think stuffed Shimla Mirch sounds great. That will be best with these tender ones. What do you say? Shall we make it? For your reference, ingredients list is shared in the description box. Now wash and wipe the bell peppers or capsicums very well. They should be completely dry. Now using a sharp knife, pointed knife, cut out the tip, the stem part, and remove all the white part and seeds from inside. Repeat the same with all the capsicums. Now this is done. Set them aside and peel the boiled potatoes. The traditional recipe is with potato filling, but you can also have various different fillings in the capsicums. I've tried out with boiled chana dal and potatoes combined together. You can also try out paneer and potato together, green peas, so many options are there. I once tried out the non-veg version also with chicken mince, chicken keema. Now mashing is done. Let's add the spice powders now. I've taken salt as needed, garam masala half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, amchoor or dry mango powder quarter teaspoon, chilli powder quarter teaspoon. We'll add some fresh coriander leaves, 1 green chilli finely chopped. You can add more if you like it spicier, or you can increase the red chillies. Mix everything well. Now we are going to stuff this into the bell peppers. Push it very well with your thumb so that mixture goes in nicely. This way, stuff all the bell peppers. Now heat oil in a pan. Preferably use a thick, heavy bottomed pan. Line the stuffed capsicums. Now we are going to fry these on medium flame. After some time, open the lid and turn the side. This way, repeat few times until they get done nicely, evenly on all the sides. It may take around 5 minutes. Keep adjusting the flame also in between. If you think it's too high, then reduce it. Again, bring it back to medium. Lovely. Now they are done. Remove them in a plate. Now set these aside while we make the onion masala ready. In the same pan, add little bit, about 1 teaspoon of garlic. This is frozen garlic. It will take a while to get defrosted. You can see that I have not added any more oil. We are using the same leftover oil after frying the bell peppers. And now add 2 finely chopped onions. I have minced them very finely in the chopper. Saute them. Cover and in between open the lid and keep stirring. Now add the tomatoes. I have taken 2 small tomatoes. Immediately add salt over them. This helps in cooking the tomatoes faster. They become soft very easily. Now mash them with a spatula until they are soft. Time to add spice powders. I have taken half teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Now mix them very well with the spatula. Cover, again simmer it a bit. Check the salt. Now we are going to place the fried capsicums. Cook them until they are done. Cover the lid and reduce the flame. In between, open and turn the side using a kitchen tongs very carefully. They were already cooked 80% while frying. Little more will be done now. Cover and simmer them a bit until done. Such simple homely sabjis are so comforting. Garnish with some coriander leaves and you're all set. Dish them out and enjoy them with rotis, parathas. It's such a lovely side dish and very less oil, you can see that. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the notifications. Thank you for your support and check out these videos also from my collection. The links are shared here and in the description box.